everyone, my name is Amella Fedra from class 4B. Today I will do a magic trick. Let's start. The ingredients are first 2 cards of the same color, ribbon, scissors, and sticky tape. Roll a piece of card into a tube shape and stick it down. Roll a piece of card into a cone shape and stick it down. Cut the ends of the cone and stick the white end down.